You are out on a long road trip, ready to set the cruise control and relax, but you hit the button and absolutely nothing happens. If your dashboard is glowing with a check engine light and you pull the code P0588, your cruise control vent control circuit is sending a high electrical signal back to the computer. This is a low severity issue in terms of safety since you can still drive the car, but it is incredibly annoying if you do a lot of highway driving. Your engine control module uses a vacuum system and a series of vents and solenoids to mechanically pull the throttle and maintain your speed. When the computer detects an electrical level that is higher than it expects, it shuts the whole system down for safety. Most of the time, this points toward a faulty cruise control switch on your steering wheel or a problem with the vent control solenoid itself. To start troubleshooting, you should always check your fuses first, because a blown fuse is an easy fix that can be caused by a temporary spike in the circuit. If the fuses are good, the most common fix is replacing the cruise control switch. This can be a bit tricky because you often have to work around the airbag system. You will need to disconnect the battery and wait a few minutes before carefully removing the steering wheel covers and unbolting the airbag cluster. Once you have access, you can swap out the old switch for a new one. However, do not overlook the mechanical side of things. Since many of these older systems rely on vacuum, a simple cracked rubber hose or a kinked line can cause the vent solenoid to work overtime and trigger an electrical fault. Take a look under the hood at the cruise control servo and follow the vacuum lines to see if there are any obvious leaks. If the lines and the switch are both fine, the vent control solenoid itself has likely failed internally and will need to be replaced to get your cruise control back in action. Replacing these parts is usually straightforward once you have identified exactly where the break in the circuit is located.